In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive into the steps and get your site running with Google Tag Manager efficiently. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace account. Start by clicking on the login button. If you're not automatically redirected to a login page, make sure you're at the Squarespace homepage or use your direct link to get there. Once the login page appears, instead of entering your credentials manually, click on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the process and allows you to log in using your Google account linked to your Squarespace account. After logging in, you'll see a list of your Squarespace sites. Click on the one that you want to add Google Tag Manager to. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct site to avoid any unwanted changes to another project you may have. Now that you're inside your specific website dashboard, navigate to Pages. This step is crucial as the Pages section is your central hub for making structural changes to your website. To do this, look for the Pages option typically located on the left-hand side panel of your Squarespace dashboard. Once in the Pages section, locate and click on Website Tools. This is essentially the area where you have access to various tools and integrations that enhance your site's functionality. With Website Tools open, find and click on the Code Injection option. This tool allows you to inject custom codes into your site's pages, which is exactly what you need for integrating Google Tag Manager. Within the Code Injection section, focus your attention on the header area. The Google Tag Manager code should be placed here to ensure it loads correctly whenever someone visits your site. This step is key as it ensures your tags are ready to go as soon as your site begins to load. Now it's time to add your Google Tag Manager code. Open your Google Tag Manager account in another tab if you haven't already, and copy the container snippet. Paste this snippet directly into the header section. Be sure to double check that you've copied the code correctly to avoid any potential issues. Once you've added the code, the final step is to click Save. This action confirms and implements your changes, ensuring that your site is now equipped to track user interactions as specified by your Google Tag Manager setup. Congratulations! You've successfully added Google Tag Manager to your Squarespace website. By following these simple steps, you can now start collecting data and using it to optimize your site's performance. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.